Appaswamy Real Estate's Vadapalani, flat number 1061. Let's have a look at the flat. Now we are at the foyer area, which has L-shaped containers with a simple storage. The foyer area has a beautiful stone cladding on the wall, provided with the wooden work and texture painting. It has a ledge and a storage container with pebbles placed beautifully. Now we are in the living area of the flat, which has a marble finish laminated, provided with the TV unit, and it has a storage containers which gives space for storing the basic things of the living hall. The background of the wall has been provided with beautiful floral texture painting with beautiful pink color, and the showcase unit has curved edges and open space for placing the things, and it also has a container with hydraulic fitting which makes it easy. The living hall has a spacious sofa with wooden work, and it also has a center table with pebbles placed at the center with a glass. Let's have a look at the ceiling of the living hall, which is false ceiling with spotlights that is of two shapes. One is rectangle and the other one is circle. It has got a chandelier in between with some wooden carvings on the other sides. The living hall and dining hall is separated by a folded partition door which has beautiful designs carved in it with glasses enfolded upon that. It also being provided with a swing set which gives a traditional outlook to the dining hall, and the dining table is provided with a white marble on top of it which gives a plain elegant look. The dining hall has been provided with a crockery unit with storages, and one of the doors has been provided with a glass placed on the wooden, and it has multi shelves to place the things, and the base unit also has multi storages, which is really useful for placing all of the things of the dining hall. Now we are at the washing area, which has also been provided with the containers and a mirror, provided with a mirror light, and the tiles work has been done with grey color which gives a beautiful look. The passageway of the house has a wall, and it is beautifully provided with the red and golden texture painting, and the metal art of a floral designed work which has a really good color combination with the wall makes the passageway also really pretty. Now we are in the first bedroom of the flat, which has wooden paneling work provided with a ledge and an open box, and the desk is being attached to the wall, which is really spacious and which also has drawers attached to it to store the things. The wall of the bedroom is beautifully colored with a sky blue and the stencil designs, which also has wooden work done for the TV unit, and the storage is also given for the TV unit to store small things of the bedroom. The bedroom is provided with a beautiful Aristo wardrobe with mirror on one side and a white lacquer glass with metallic stripes placed, which gives a unique look to the room. The other wall of the bedroom is provided with a brick pattern with yellow and white color combination, which gives a beautiful look, and it has been provided with a queen sized cot and a bed. Also a side table is provided with storage, and the bed is also having a storage container. Let's have a look at the ceiling, which is a false ceiling provided with wooden paneling work and spotlights, which is of two shapes. One is a rectangle and a circle, which gives good illumination to the room. Now we are at the second bedroom of the flat. Let's have a look at the ceiling. It has been provided with spotlights, which is again of two shapes. One is circle and the other one is rectangle, with wooden paneling work done at the edges, which has got a rectangular shape. The bedroom is also being provided with a small wardrobe with open boxes, and it also has got a good storage. The bedroom is provided with a queen-sized cot and a bed with a backrest cushion, and the wall also has beautiful leaf stencil designs. The room also has a spacious wardrobes, that is 6 door wardrobes, and a loft dressing table provided with a mirror which has storage behind it and also beneath the dressing table. It also been provided with open storage to place the things of the bedroom. The wooden paneling work is also done with ledges provided for placing the things, and an L-shaped small ledge is also given. Now in the third bedroom of the flat, which also has aristo doors which are sliding doors and really spacious wardrobes. The bedroom has also been provided with a loft and it has got beautiful floral designs printed upon it. The bedroom is provided with a queen-sized cot and a bed. The background of the wall is provided with texture painting with beautiful designs carved upon it. And the ceiling is provided with spotlights which is of rectangular shape and wooden work is also done over there. Now we are at the kitchen of the flat, which has 3 units, that is the loft and hanging unit and the base unit. The loft is provided with the transparent glasses which has got easy handles with hydraulic fittings and a chimney, and a marble is provided beneath that. It has 3 trays, that is a cutlery tray, plain tray and plate tray, and also it has a rolling shutter which is really helpful in storing the things. Other side of the kitchen has a hanging unit with transparent doors to place the things, which makes it easy to handle the things, and a small storage is also provided. Balcony is provided with a vertical garden which gives a beautiful look to the flat. Thanks for watching the video. This is Priya signing off. If you like the video, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and don't hesitate to call us.